Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, January the 27th, 2024. Yes, it's Saturday evening, and I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Tectonic, aka JigsawSudoku. This will be number 7885. 7885. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. And so I think it's a 1 or 2 stars. For 1 star I need to be faster than 50 minutes. If it's a 2 stars, then I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. The question is this a 2 stars or a 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, oh, here another one, yeah, always a 1. Then the next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. How about the triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. No triple boxes here. Then how about the quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4. I see here a quadra box, but the numbers I cannot fill in. I cannot fill this yet. Need more information, insufficient information right now. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. So in this case, we have a 4 here, so this box should be also a 4. Alright. We have more T shapes in this puzzle. No, only 1 T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box is the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about the... Oh, overlook this one. We have another one. Yes, this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. No, only 1. I see only 1 we have. Then the following shape. How about the L shape, rotated L shape? Let me put the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 there. And then the following shape. How about? Oh, overlook this quadra box. Well. Let me finish this. We have 1 shape left. This is this shape. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that This box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box. Here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Well, we have here another quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. Well, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, let me start now. These 3 boxes. Surrounding 4 can be 4. These 3 boxes. Surrounding 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. Then let me see. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If we place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes. Surrounding 1 can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 1 there. If I place a 1 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here. So not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 2. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We already have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. So the 1 and the 4 are left. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left, 4 and a 5, 4 and 5. These 3 boxes, surrounding 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Then, yeah. Well. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1. And that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5. 2 and 5 is connected with that box, should be also 2 and a 5, but we already have a 2 here in the same area. Can be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Can be 4, yeah, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright, and now this box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Alright, and now these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 5 in this area should be here. So 1 box left in this area for number 3. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. Alright. The other pair in this area should be the 5 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 5. Alright. Need a 5 here. Yeah, I need a 5 in this area. Well, this box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left. 1 and a 3, well, we have a 3 here, so this box can be 3 and more, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1, is connected with that box should be also a 3, so if I eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left on the 3 in the squash area should be there, and if I eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box should be also a 3. Then 2 numbers left in the squash area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes in there. Then these 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this quadro box should be the numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and a 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be in, and 1 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there, 2 should be in, and 4 goes in there. These 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. And now. Come on. I think this box. Wait. Yeah. This box can be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers 3 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finished in 13 minutes. Well, not a 1 star, not a 2 stars, 0 stars. I'm faster than 40 minutes. So well, pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Yeah, so have a great and fantastic Saturday. Tomorrow on Sunday I will do the additional first, and in the evening the Samurai Sudoku. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. See you tomorrow on Sunday. Until then, bye bye for now.